or set of characters that corresponds to the text present within a tag. Beautiful Soup represents the entire web document and supports navigating and searching the document tree. Comment represents the comment or information section of the document. It's a special type of navigable string. This demo shows how to scrape a web document, parse it, and use objects to extract information. Import the required libraries to perform web scraping. Here, we have imported the Beautiful Soup tool for web scraping process. Once the required libraries are imported, the next step is to create an HTML web document. Create a soup object and pass the web document as a parameter. Note that we have to use the HTML parser to parse the web document, as it belongs to the HTML type. To view the type of soup object, use the type soup. To view the soup object, use the keyword print followed by soup. Now let's create a tag object, view the type, and then print the one which contains the first paragraph information. Let's view the comment using the tag object, which is of a string data type. We can also check the type of soup object, which is comment, and view it. To view the tag attribute, use the attributes method. To view the value navigable string, use the string method. You have now learned how to scrape a web document, parse it, and use objects to extract information. You have learned about parser and objects. Let's now understand the structure of tree with the help of an example. Look at the actual web document or an HTML file which creates a web page. An HTML file begins with an HTML tag and followed by a body tag. The other tags create visible elements on the web page. The keyword div indicates the division or a section in an HTML document. The keyword class indicates the Cascaded Style Sheets class, or CSS, used within the HTML file to format the HTML data. The tree structure for the same example is shown. The representation of the objects, tags, and elements of the web document is visible in the tree structure. It also shows different objects and the interrelationships. In this example, the main object is the Beautiful Soup. This is referred to as the parent. The HTML tag is a direct child, and the rest are descendants. Objects at the same level are siblings. In this example, IT, HR, and Finance Department are referred to as siblings. Hope you have understood the basic concepts such as parsing, objects, and tree structure associated with the popular web scraping tool, Beautiful Soup. Consider the following example. You have a lot of documents in various trees, and you need to extract specific information from it. How can you do this? With the help of search filters technique, you can extract specific information from the parsed document. The filters can be treated as a search criteria for extracting the information based on the elements present in the document. There are various kinds of filters used for searching for information from a tree. They are a string, irregular expressions, a list, a function. A string is the simplest filter. Beautiful Soup will perform a match against the search string. A regular expression filters the match against the search criteria. A list filters the string that matches against the search term in the list. A function filters the elements that match against its only argument. This is referred to as an argument-based reusable filter technique. Let's now take a look at the search methods and attributes used to search the tree. Beautiful Soup defines a lot of methods for searching the parse tree. However, they're all similar. The two most popular methods for searching the parse tree are findAll and find. Let's understand each method with the help of an example. The findAll method searches and retrieves all tags, descendants that match your filters. The syntax for the findAll method is shown here. FindAll: name, attributes, recursive, string, limit, keyword arguments. The keyword findAll is the method. Name, attributes, recursive, string, limit, and keyword arguments are called arguments. Name tells Beautiful Soup to only consider tags with certain names. Attributes tells Beautiful Soup to pass argument for tags with attributes. Recursive tells Beautiful Soup to pass argument as Boolean value for recursive operation. String tells Beautiful Soup to search for string instead of tags. Limit tells Beautiful Soup to limit the search result to numeric value passed in the argument. Keyword arguments tells Beautiful Soup to filter multiple attributes by passing multiple keywords in the argument. The findAll method finds the entire document looking for results. However, sometimes you only want to find one result. In this case, you can use the find method. The find method has a syntax similar to the findAll method, however, has a few key differences. Take a look at the comparison table of the find and findAll methods. The findAll method scans the entire document and returns a list if a match is found. The find method searches only for the passed argument and returns only the first match value. In case the match is not found, the findAll method returns an empty list, whereas the find method returns none. Searching the parse tree can also be performed by various other methods, such as the following: find parents and find parent, find previous sibling and find previous sibling, find all next and find next, find all previous and find previous, find next siblings and find next sibling. Find methods such as find parents, find previous siblings, find all next, find all previous, and find next siblings scan for all the matches in the document. Find methods such as find parent, find previous sibling, find next, find previous, and find next sibling scan for only the first match in the document. This demo shows you how to search in a tree using filters. First, open the available web scraping sample HTML file with the Python open method. R indicates the read-only method.